representing Nepal. Saan? I forget your name. Yeah. I forget the name. Dilkumar, what is the capital city of Philippines? Yes.
Oh, say.
Magic. Why you forget the beautiful country? No, don't ask, don't ask. What's the pass on. Next question. What is the capital city of Nepal?
Wow! Kathmandu.
Okay, very good. What is the capital city of India?
India. Mumbai.
Wrong. You don't have rice. Representing Bulacan. What is the capital city of Pakistan?
Pakistan,
Yes.
Lahore.
Wrong. What is the capital city of India?
Pakistan of India. Delhi.
You have your prize now. Next. Because what is the capital city of Nepal? Kathmandu, okay. What is the capital city of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Islamabad, okay. This is your prize. Combine. What is the capital city of Nepal?
Masarap.
KTM.
Wow! What is the capital city of New Delhi? Capital city of Philippines?
Manila.
Manila. This is your prize. Congratulations. Everybody happy.